Okay, so you're looking to deposit cash into your NBKc bank account, huh? Well, let's get started. Question: ever felt the frustration of trying to deposit cash at your bank? It's like navigating a maze of options and confusing instructions. Well, fear not, my fellow cash hoarding friend, because today, we're going to demystify the process of depositing cash into NBKc Bank. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's take a moment to appreciate the beauty of cash. It's tangible, it's reliable, and it's a constant reminder of your hard-earned money. But sometimes, we need to deposit that cash into our bank accounts, and that's where things can get a little tricky. So, how do we deposit cash into NBKc Bank? Well, there are a few different ways, and I'll walk you through each one step by step. Option 1. Deposit at an ATM. This is probably the most common way to deposit cash. Simply find an NBKc Bank ATM and follow the instructions on the screen. You'll need to insert your debit card and enter your PIN. Then, select the deposit option and follow the prompts to deposit your cash. Important note, not all ATMs accept cash deposits. Be sure to check the ATM's availability before heading out. Option 2. Deposit at a branch. If you prefer to speak to a person, you can visit an NBKc Bank branch and deposit your cash there. You'll need to bring your identification and your bank account information. Option 3. Mobile deposit. This is a convenient option if you have the NBKc Bank mobile app. Simply download the app and log into your account. Then, select the deposit option and follow the prompts to take a picture of your cash. Important note, you'll need to make sure that your picture is clear and that all of the cash is in view. Additional tips. Be sure to count your cash before you deposit it. This will help you avoid making mistakes. Keep your receipt. This will serve as proof of your deposit. If you're depositing a large amount of cash, you may need to make multiple deposits. And there you have it. 3 easy ways to deposit cash into your NBKc bank account. I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more banking tips and tricks. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe and keep your money safe.